Welcome to Gino's Creative Cooking. Here I'm going to show you how I make the sorghum meal pancakes. Sorghum meal, yes, the sorghum that you know. And here I use the fermented milk, or you can call it sour milk. If you have yogurt, you can try and use the yogurt. I'm adding 6 cups of sorghum meal, 2 eggs, a bit of honey, and I am gonna blend it up, and I'm gonna be adding some chia seeds. How is that? This is quite a loaded meal with fiber, lots of fiber. Yep. Let's keep watching. Don't forget to subscribe after watching this video. Share, and don't forget to comment, like, press that like button, and let's keep watching. Here I'm using the same pancake to make a tortilla out of it. You can put anything you want in it and enjoy.